In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notifications not working. First thing you need to do is leave Instagram, go to your phone settings, and here you want to simply search for notifications. So you want to click on notifications over here, and inside here you want to make sure for the lock screen notifications you switch to show. This way it will always show on the lock screen the notifications. And after you do this step, you want to go back and check if your issue has been fixed. If not, then what you can do is go back to the settings, phone settings, and you want to search for apps. Click on apps, and then over here what you can do is search for Instagram. And then you want to click on storage and clear cache, clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So after you do this, go back to Instagram. You'll notice that you've been logged out because you cleared the data. So simply just log in and check if your issue has been fixed. Let me just log in very quickly. Now if this still hasn't fixed your issue, what you can do is go back to phone settings again, apps, and then Instagram, and then you want to go to notifications. Make sure you allow notifications like this and enable all notifications for all of these stuff. So as you can see, messages, it's all enabled. Make sure you enable everything here and go to permissions and give permissions for everything here. And after you do this, check if your issue has been fixed. Now if this still hasn't fixed your issue, then go to Instagram, click at your profile, click at the top right, click at notifications, and over here you will see all notification settings. So over here, if you click at post stories, you'll see that you can basically, if you switch to from everyone, you'll get notifications no matter who likes, whether it's people you follow or anyone else. And so basically what you need to do here is simply turn on and switch to from everyone on everything you see here. And if you leave and go to followers and following, do the same here, switch on to everything and switch to from everyone on everything. Go to messages, turn on everything here and enable everything. Same thing with the calls. So after you do all of these, after you set up all of these notifications, hopefully this should have fixed your issue. But if it still hasn't fixed it, what you can do is leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram and check if it needs updating. If it does, simply update it and it could fix your issue. Now if updating still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is check if you have toggled on the do not disturb mode. So if you go to the phone settings and go back here, and if you search for do not disturb, so here if you have toggled this setting on, then you will not receive any notifications. Make sure you toggle it off, like as you see it here, it's toggled off, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.